We're excited to take you on a tour of this beautiful home and show you the different ways that you can incorporate IMAGIO Glass throughout your home and enjoy all the beauty of glass with the many benefits in any room. Come on, let's check it out. Well, we're here in the first room of the home where IMAGIO Glass has been incorporated, and this is the first of many custom designs you'll see throughout this home by IMAGIO Glass. Here we show you a custom color copper metallic, and the homeowner was very sure they wanted to use glass and be innovative with their design, as well as enjoy all the benefits of glass and this beautiful design work that you see here. The homeowner knew that they wanted a specific color tone. They knew that they wanted something copper, but they didn't want to get too orange. They worked with the builder as well as a designer to come up with this custom copper metallic color. And if you look closely, you'll notice two things I really love how this came together. The beautiful metallic copper color of their coffee pot blends beautifully with the glass backsplash. And if you look also, the cabinetry has subtle green colors that pop, that seem to be very close to the color of the backsplash. Besides the natural beauty of glass, there's a few other benefits that are great to use it in your kitchen space, like the fact that it's durable, the design options are endless with IMAGIO Glass, and it's a naturally antimicrobial surface, which makes it perfect for kitchen spaces and bathroom spaces throughout your home. Let's take a look now at the next room in the home where IMAGIO Glass has been used. We're going to check out the music room. We've made it now to this home's beautiful music room where the moonless night custom color matches perfectly with this beautiful piano. In fact, that was the designer's inspiration for this custom color that IMAGIO brought to life on this beautiful solid glass fireplace surround. Now they did want to make sure that they felt inspired, and across from the piano is this beautiful view of a lake with beautiful nature and trees beyond it. And oftentimes you can see this beautiful solid glass fireplace surround creating a reflection of nature right here inside this room. Very inspiring if you ask me. Now with fireplace surrounds, there's often some traditional materials that you see, natural stone, stacked stone, or tile, all of which are beautiful options for your fireplace surround in your home, but none of them can beat how easy it is to keep this glass fireplace surround clean and the fact that there's no annual maintenance required with the glass. If you want to create those natural stone looks or stacked stone looks, IMAGIO Glass can do just that and give you all the beauty of natural stone with the benefits of glass. Now let's move on to the laundry room where IMAGIO Glass was once again incorporated into this beautiful home. Now being that this is more of a utility room in the home, the strength and durability of the glass is also one of the reasons it made a great fit to use in a laundry room as well. Let's move on now to the lower level and check out what they've done down there. So here we are in the lower level where they've got this great area for entertaining and have this beautiful wet bar. Now with this, they knew they wanted to create a mirrored look, which really helps make the space look larger and reflects this beautiful view that they've got outside. But they didn't want to use just a mirrored look because it seemed too much to them, makes it too busy, just too much reflection. So they worked with their designer and found this beautiful design that they brought to us at IMAGIO, and we were able to recreate the look. You would think that if you're touching it, you're going to feel the grooves in the glass where it's etched, but you won't, because with IMAGIO Glass, everything is specifically imaged, especially to the rear, so you get that nice, smooth, clean surface that IMAGIO Glass is famous for. And that's what makes it so nice, because it's easy to clean. You get the beauty of that etched glass look with all the benefits of a nice, clean, smooth, solid glass surface. Another thing I really loved about this particular layout is even though that there's all these different little triangles shapes, you still get the beautiful reflection of the view behind you, and it really does open up the room and creates a grand space. We hope you've enjoyed touring this home and seeing the many different ways that IMAGIO Glass can accentuate your home space. If you're interested in speaking with one of our design experts to see how you can bring your IMAGIO vision to life inside your home, anywhere in your home, why don't you email us at info@imagioglass.com, and in 3 simple steps, you can start your estimate today. You can visit us online at any time at www.imagioglass.com.